Hey guys, it's Mike Pyle with Mike Pyle Design and HGTV's Inside Out. We're at one of my most recent projects in Dana Point, California, and I teamed up with Barrette Outdoor Living to use 2 of their vinyl products. So let's check it out. In the front yard, we went with the Classic Picket Vinyl Fence from Barrette Outdoor Living. The greatest thing about this product is the installation process. It literally took a crew of 3 men 2 days to install. We simply installed our posts. After installing the posts, we're able to slide in our horizontals and our pickets. When I initially came into the project, the backyard fencing was no longer in good standing. So we installed a 6-foot privacy vinyl fencing in its place. It's a beautiful fence that'll last for years to come. As you can see, the vinyl fencing added that final touch on this project. If you want to learn more about the Barrette Outdoor Living product line, go to barretteoutdoorliving.com and check it out.